Hey guys, so the video you just watched was my last minute entry into Inventable's Easel Power Hour Challenge. Now Easel is Inventable's entry-level carving software. It's great for using on the Carvey, the X-Carve, or any of your other personal CNC machines like my MPCNC. Now, the people over at Inventables wanted to see what could you design with Easel that could be carved in under an hour. So I drew up this simple hook for my fiance's ukulele, which matches the headstock. Now, you could make this using a simple contour cut and just create a 2D flat piece of wood, but I wanted to add some three-dimensionality to it. So I added this bevel here to make it so it slopes downward as it meets the wall. I think it made it a little more interesting. Now the project went pretty smoothly, but we did run into this little check or knot or whatever it was, which caused a pretty big tear out on that one side, the one prong here, which worked out all right in the end. I was able to sand it, file it down, and then I just had to match that bevel on the other side. Overall, I think it came out pretty good. So that's it. Make sure you check out Inventable's project page to see all the Power Hour entries, and use hashtag EaselPowerHour to search for them on Instagram. If you like this video, then hit that thumbs up button down below. Leave any comments or questions you have down in the comments section. And if you want a notification every time I post my weekly videos, hit that little bell icon. Thanks everybody, keep watching and keep making.